Okay, I have to go back. I don't remember that. Why this? They are not available. Course lessons. Okay. Edit. Okay, should be available. Maybe when I have some, it's not till now available to student on the course menu. It seems maybe it's not, it's empty till now. Okay, no problem. Then this is a course message. Then you can email your student only. What I recommend you is to use very useful tool in Blackboard. Instead of giving your student your own email, they can use this tool and they can email you through this tool. Otherwise, they will overwhelm your own email account, and it will be a problem for you. Now, I will continue. Then we have a course link also, web link, module page, and subheader and divider. This is the main items that we can create. A divider is very simple to create here. You can add a divider. The divider is this horizontal line. You can move it. Okay, for example, I want to add a divider. This is a divider. And I can add more links. For example, more to link. For example, here we have announcement, we have Blackboard, we have blogs, and we have content, discussion board, email, glossary, goal performance groups. You can add the groups here for your student journal. My grades, it's already there. I have it. I don't need to add it. Okay. Then you can add many other type of links if you don't have it. I have here my grade for my student, calendar, and tools and help and virtual classroom. It means Blackboard Collaborate. And if you have here surveys. Okay, now let's move to add electronic material. Then I have created already a two content area, and I will add content types. I will start adding some content types. You can create really for your course area, you can create many different content types. What are these types? In the build content, you can add an item, a file, an audio, an image, a video, and you can add a web link. This is mainly the electronic material that you can add. And in addition, you can add a blank page and content folder. And you can add mashups. Let's start by an item. What is an item? An item can contain text, audio, movies, files, images, and mashups. If you add text, you can format it using the content editor functions. Then let's start by adding an item to my course. I will add an item now. This is my course lessons. I will start. For example, I need to organize my course material per week, which is better way to organize your content material per week. And the best way is to start by creating a content folder. And I will start by week 1. And you can write some text here, description, if you wish. And then you have this standard option. This standard option, you will find it, you will add it for all your materials. This is common, this standard option. And for example, you have here radio button, permit user to view this content. It means users here, it means students. And you click on yes, should be yes. Otherwise, the student will not be able to see the content. You have track number of views. Yeah, if you wish, you can track the student if they are viewing your content or not. And select date and time restriction. When this, you can select when this item will be displayed after a date and displayed until, if you wish. Then after this date, it will disappear. If you want to be opened all the time, then you don't need to specify a restriction date and time. And then you click on submit. All the time when you are creating an item, submit here means save. You will save your work. You will click on submit. And I have week 1 now. I have to create many weeks as I have. For example, I can add week 2. And yes, and click on submit. Content folder, week 3. And then yes, and click on submit. We'll have week 4. As you can see, we have the same all the time. We have the same standard options here. And I will click on submit. You have to create, I think in semester you have about 14 weeks. Then you have to create for 14 weeks your course lessons. Now I will start creating my electronic material for week 1. And you will start by building content. In building content, you have item here. I will start by selecting the item. In the item, you have to give a name for your content. For example, chapter 1. And you can create here the text for the chapter 1. You have the choice either by creating a text here. You have an editor like any word processor. Is the same as Word here. You have here. You can write your text here, or you have to attach a file. This is another choice. I can browse my local files from my computer, and I select this PDF. It could be a PDF file, which I prefer. And Then, as you can see, I have the same, all the time you will get the same standard option for all the items that you create. And these standard options, you have to specify permit user to view this content, track number of views, and if you have a restriction date and time, you have to specify it and click on submit. Sometimes it takes some time to upload the file. Okay, fine, now it's done. Then I have this chapter 1.